Remember when computers were new? We are on the edge of a similar revolution. This time, it's 3D printing. Imagine holding a design in your hand just minutes after you think of it. 3D printing is changing how we create. What was once science fiction is now a reality. And the best part? You can be a part of it. This isn't just for big companies. People like you and me are using 3D printers to make amazing things. Some are even turning this technology into their own businesses. Is making money with 3D printing easy? No, but it's possible and the rewards can be huge. This essay is your guide to the exciting world of 3D printing for profit. We will explore inspiring stories, practical tips, and the potential of this incredible technology. Are you ready to join the 3D printing revolution? Let's meet some everyday people who turned their 3D printing hobby into a successful business. Take Sarah, a stay-at-home mom. She loved designing toys for her kids. She started selling her unique creations online. Now she runs a thriving business, selling educational toys. Then there's John, a retired engineer. He used his skills to design and print custom parts for vintage cars. His business boomed. He now ships his parts worldwide. These stories show us that anyone can succeed with 3D printing. You don't need to be a tech genius or a business guru. All you need is passion, creativity, and the willingness to learn. Ready to start your own 3D printing adventure? The first step is getting familiar with the technology. There are many resources available online and in libraries. Watch videos, read articles, and learn the basics of 3D modeling and printing. Next, you need a 3D printer. Don't worry, you don't need a top-of-the-line machine to get started. There are many affordable options available for beginners. Look for printers with good reviews and active communities. Once you have your printer, it's time to experiment. Start with simple projects and gradually move towards more complex designs. Practice makes perfect, and the more you print, the better you'll become. Section 4. What to make. Popular 3D printed products. Now comes the fun part, deciding what to create. The possibilities are endless. One popular option is printing useful household items. Think phone stands, keychain holders, or custom cookie cutters. Another great option is jewelry. 3D printing allows for intricate and personalized designs that stand out. You can also create custom game pieces, miniatures, or even cosplay accessories for the growing gaming and comic book communities. The key is to identify a need or a niche market and create products that people will love. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Section 5. Showcasing your creations platforms for selling. Once you have some amazing products ready, it's time to show them to the world. Online marketplaces like Etsy are perfect for selling handmade and unique items, including 3D prints. You can create your own shop, set your prices, and reach a global audience. Another option is to sell directly through social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook. Showcase your designs, interact with potential customers, and build a loyal following. You can also explore specialized online stores for 3D printed items, such as Shapeways or Thingiverse. Remember, good photos and clear descriptions are crucial. Highlight the unique features of your products and provide excellent customer service. Section 6. The potential of 3D printing earnings and beyond. So how much money can you actually make with 3D printing? The answer is, it depends. Factors like the demand for your products, your pricing strategy, and the time you invest all play a role. Some 3D printing entrepreneurs make a comfortable side income, while others have turned it into their full-time gig. The potential for growth is immense, especially as 3D printing technology continues to evolve. But the benefits go beyond just financial gains. 3D printing allows you to be your own boss, set your own hours, and pursue your passion. It's about creative freedom, innovation, and the satisfaction of building something from scratch.